Happy day after yesterday, everyone. It's the Wonder Nerd, aka Tony Foster. I hope you will join me at VMworld this year. There are a lot of great sessions happening that you won't want to miss. If you're a fan of automating repetitive tasks, then be sure to catch the VMware code sessions. There are a load of great sessions ranging from Kubernetes to event-driven automation in vSphere environments that will help you unlock your superhero abilities. If you're an IT admin who's trying to find more time in the day to get all your IT requests built, stop searching and start coding. Stop the shadow IT. I'll be there with VMware Code Session 2778, Talk Nerdy to Me, using Python to create VMs with vGPUs for AI workloads. If your organization is looking at deploying AI workloads in your virtual environment, this is a session you will want to add to your schedule. We will be exploring how to add multiple vGPUs to VMs and all the rules that surround it. We'll also talk about why you want to virtualize your AI workloads. These secrets should help make your IT team more responsive to requests from your AI team, reducing the time to deliver an AI environment and making you a superhero. I hope you are able to join the Wonder Nerd and his mild-mannered alter ego, Tony, for this great VMware code session at VMworld, as well as many other sessions.